Greetings everybody, my name is Yamuna and yesterday the CBSE board results were announced and I was overjoyed just like most of you. So when you talk about CBSE and boards, one thing that really comes to your mind other than the result is the entire process for 1 year or like 6 months. इतना प्रेशर क्रिएट किया जाता है आपके सराउंडिंग्स में कि आपको लगता है आपके अलावा बाकी सब बोर्ड्स दे रहे हैं एंड रियलिटी इज़ कि हम तो एक बार बोर्ड्स दे देते हैं बट हमारे टीचर्स वो हर साल बोर्ड्स दे रहे होते हैं. So what happened with me was that after December, I really sat down to study, सब extracurriculars बंद करके I really thought कि मुझे शुरू कहाँ से करना चाहिए. So one thing that I followed for the whole year was following NCERTs holistically. For business studies and for economics especially, every line of NCERT can become a question. ये चीज़ तो मैंने realize कर ली थी. Especially when it comes to MCQs, NCERT से ऊपर I don't think कुछ भी है इन subjects के लिए and even for maths. कोई भी MCQ बन के आ सकता है from the theory portion. When it comes to accountancy, सुभाष डे सर की books and सुल्तान चंद publication की books, T.S. Garewal sir, that is what really helped me out. So first is sticking to NCERTs and then moving on to the reference books, which could be Subhash Day sir's books, which worked out the best for me. Now what really comes is कि आप पढ़ क्या रहे हो और उसको आप implement कैसे कर रहे हो. Rather than going to books blindly, what really matters is to solve previous year question papers and sample papers from CBSE, because that is what really gives you a clear picture for what you're actually preparing yourself. For example, you might be studying a way higher level and CBSE won't even demand that. So go through the previous year question papers. That's the most important as per my opinion. And then of course, test series. Test series का फंडा ये होता है that even if I could not go for a few tests, I would make sure to get the question papers from my friends so that I can prepare myself holistically for the tests, upcoming tests and whatever exams I had in schools as well. And pre-boards में मेरी ये कोशिश होती थी कि बजाय इसके कि मैं pre-boards में score करूँ, मैं ये कोशिश करती थी कि मैं एक बार सारा syllabus कर लूँ so that I know कि questions किस तरह के आ सकते हैं rather than focusing कि मुझे pre-boards में top करना है. And then when it comes to preparation, एक चीज़ जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा चाहिए होती है is some sanity in your mind जो एक सही mentor ही दे सकता है. Talking about myself, Vipul sir, or as we all lovingly call him Vipul भैया, भैया really helped me out in every way. It was not just about economics कि तू ये book पढ़ ले, तू ये book पढ़ ले. उनका main focus was कि तू सब कुछ पढ़ और ढंग से पढ़. Whenever I had a problem, I knew I could call him and I did कि भैया अब नहीं हो रहा है. And sir was like, take a break. Take a day break for a day and then you'll bounce back stronger. And that's what actually happened with me so many times. Whenever I had to discuss a problem, even a personal problem, I knew I could back on Bhaiya and that's what really helped me out. No one created an unneeded pressure on me. For example, when you hear a lot of noise from outside, you need the true teachers who can help you filter the pressure and focus on more important things. And that's what my teachers really did for me, to keep my sanity towards the important things only. And also when it comes to English, who better than Karanjeet ma'am to tell you where you should really focus on. In my school, coming from the Super 40 batch, only 4 to 5 classes with Karanjeet ma'am, and she helped me improve a lot in my writing section. The mistakes that I would make earlier, I would not making them anymore and I was able to complete my paper with more efficiency because of her guiding skills. And when you talk about your teachers, what also really matters is the energies. And एक energy जो मेरे लिए बहुत special है और जो मैं हमेशा अपनी life में carry forward करूँगी, वो ये जगह है, VWT. सितंबर एग्जाम्स में मेरे विपुल सर से एक दिन ऐसी बात हो रही थी, सर से कि अगर तुझे पढ़ना होता है तो आ जाया कर ऊपर वाले किसी भी रूम्स में, यू कैन ऑक्यूपाई रूम एंड यू कैन डू सेल्फ स्टडी. एंड मैं आ गई एक दिन. सो ऐसे हुआ, आई केम एंड आई स्टार्टेड स्टडीइंग and I don't know what was the power of this place. My productivity levels multiplied by so many times. I tried कि मैं घर पे भी पढ़ लूँ लेकिन कई बार जब नहीं होता था मैं यहाँ आके पढ़ती थी and the doors were always open from 7 AM in the morning to 9 PM in the night. I knew I could come here, all thanks to Reed दीदी as well, जिन्होंने हमेशा एक छोटी से छोटी चीज़ के लिए, कोई नोट्स है कोई कुछ है, हमें हमेशा सपोर्ट किया है. So it's a holistic effort, एक जगह का, हमारे mentors का, ऑफ कोर्स हमारे पेरेंट्स का और थोड़ा बहुत हमारी अपनी मेहनत का और सबसे बड़ा किस्मत का और शायद जो एक लेडी लक हमारे ऊपर होता है ऑन द डे ऑफ योर एग्जाम. थैंक यू.